Hi everyone, this is Amy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making pomegranate molasses. For this sauce, we are going to need 2 large pomegranates. To get the seeds out, we're just going to cut a little bit off of the top, and then we're going to run the knife around the outer edge of the pomegranate and start sectioning this off. Now, I've seen people get their pomegranate seeds many ways. This is the easiest way that I have found to get as many of the seeds out without breaking them as possible, although we are going to blend these up in a little bit. But it saves a lot of juice, and you can see how easily this comes apart now. You do want to do this over a bowl because you want to catch any of that excess juice. So just take section by section and pull off all these arrows. You could also do this with the prepackaged pomegranate seeds that you can buy at the store. It's just much more expensive. Or you could do it just with pomegranate juice that's bottled, but these were on sale at the bulk market, so I thought we'd give this a try today. It is kind of relaxing just to pull all of these out. This is the last little section. We have about 1 quart of seeds here, which is not going to give us a huge amount of molasses, but it's such an intense flavor, that's okay. So once all of your seeds are out, we are going to blend this up in your blender, and it's not going to take very long. It takes just a couple of little pulses to break these down. And look at that gorgeous, gorgeous color. Once these are all blitzed up, we are going to put a little cheesecloth over our bowl or strainer if that's what you have. It works perfectly well. And we'll start squeezing out as much of the juice as possible. If you've never had pomegranate molasses, it's used a lot in Middle Eastern cooking, Mediterranean cooking, North African cooking. It adds a slight sweetness and a beautiful little savoriness to dishes, and it really nuances the flavor. So just squeezing all of this juice out. We do want to measure this because it's going to dictate how much lemon juice and sugar we're going to use, and this measures out to 1.5 cups. We're going to put that into a small pot along with the juice of 1/4 of a lemon, so probably about a tablespoon, tablespoon and a half, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can make this sweeter. I like it a little less sweet. We're going to put this on the stove over medium-low heat, stir that around to get the sugar melting. We're also going to add a pinch of salt to intensify the flavor. And we're going to let this reduce down for about 2 hours. Then we're going to pop this into a container that has an airtight lid. And this is not like your regular molasses. This is a little looser. It is savory, sweet, tart, and absolutely delicious, and really quite easy to make. And this should store in your fridge, covered in an airtight container, for about 2 weeks. So hopefully you'll start using it to cook some of your favorite dishes. But there it is, pomegranate molasses. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me again today. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you liked this video, give a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because I put out new videos every Thursday.